my name's Sean McCormick, and I wanted to say thank you to Hamid and the guys from Shopify Pro. I have a major project of combining a couple of websites, coaching website, life coaching website, to combine that with my podcasting website, and it was a fairly large job, and I'm picky, and Hamid and the guys did a really phenomenal job. They're responsive, they're super high quality, they're transparent, they're communicative, and for entrepreneurs like myself who really rely on high quality of work with a quick turnaround, these guys delivered. They continue to deliver because I found some other projects for them because they do such a good job. So thank you so much for the work that you do. I would really suggest anybody that's considering hiring these guys to do it, because Shopify Pro, they're exactly what you want.